Is the recording? Oh yeah, okay. So what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? In today's video, I'm going to explain kind of a. It's this video is longer. It's around 8 minutes long, or I don't know how much. But I'm going to be explaining everything more in depth. What I think about RDBX. At the later of the video, you're going to know my technical analysis. We're going to talk about something fundamentally, and all the beautiful stuff. You're going to see how everything falls into place. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to start off this video. First of all, like I'm gonna leave the technical notes for quite the little of the end, and I want to share this thing right here on the Reddit. Okay, so this is from a user from IC Swimmer underscore 104. It's a beautiful due diligence. Okay, what does he state right here? We're gonna like go over it like real quick. Overall, this is what we're going to be reading. As of July 7th, 2022, there were 13.685,090. This is 13 million, okay, 685,098 shares of Redbox Class A common stock and 32,770,000 shares of Redbox Class B common stock issued and outstanding, held by approximately 26,235 beneficial holders. That's the word, beneficial holders. So basically, traders are in the play. So there is no sell off. Up tickets are in fed are FUD, okay, or up tickets in FUD. Shorts are bleeding heavily, and what tomorrow may hold. It's only got like 34 hours, but I don't know if you have been following this, but you guys like to manage to see it. What does this guy say? I mean, I'm going to continue to read this. So each issued and outstanding share of Redbox common stock as of the record date entitles its holder for record or to one vote on each matter to be considered at the Redbox special meeting. Redbox stockholders are entitled to vote on each proposal presented. In this regard, it should be noted that under the term of the Redbox voting agreement, the Redbox majority holders have agreed, subject to limited expectations, to vote for, okay, for the Redbox merger proposal. So is there going to be merger? We're going to see the Redbox majority holders own an aggregated number of shares constituting a majority of the outstanding Redbox common stock as of the record date, and their affirmative vote will be sufficient to approve the Redbox merger proposal. So what does this guy say is, I know one thing, okay? He knows one thing. However, this play turns out, we will all have a PhD in market manipulation tactics. The question you should ask yourself is why are they pulling all these moves? Adding options, taking away options, keeping the options running into the background, opening millions of illegal naked shorts, hiding those short positions while posting fake data, all in India's thieves harassing our forums. These are not behaviors of confident people who are making money. So while he wants to explain because all the shit is happening because they don't have money, okay, they're losing money. So RDBX has been painful to watch. I know. Every day we are like, how the fuck? Okay, watching feels like someone is slamming my head against wall repeatedly. But if you have been following my prediction, my overall analysis on RDBX, we understand that like we I was short from this move below. So like if you have been asking me from $12 to like right around $4, people were correct about every single move, and I did manage to call out that for absolutely free on YouTube. But now let's connect. Let's just go with the thing. The shorts and MMAs are some like okay, we trying to induce a sell of these can take full control and make their own money without the interface of retail boosts. They have gotten so fucking greedy about it. It feels like it must be the setup. How could they be the bad and this is illegal greed? They are consumed by it. So I'm not gonna be reading like a more but he says that today, like this is today, we have a couple of things occurring that could bring some volume as well as increase the price. So what he managed to say is that we should get the better picture of FTDs. 3.3 million short shares are hiding. It also a settlement date last day for the Nasdaq short interest reporting date. They may try to close positions like the last time they helped hide the true short numbers again. We know for absolute the fact that Ortex is lying. I'm not going to be trusting Ortex. I'm just going to continue with my technical analysis. Okay, I'm going to start from the monthly, and now you're going to see why everything kind of falls up. Uh, why everything is cool and all that shit. Okay, so first of all, let me just clear something right here where I'm recording this thing. Okay, so This is the monthly, okay? On the monthly, we understand that we broke down, like there is no question asked, like this is where we broke, and then we tapped into this area right here. Technically, on the higher time frame, we could be going lower to like 175 and all these lows, but I'm not gonna be looking at that thing from that perspective. So let me just go to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, we have the following. So we're definitely in uptrend right here. Let me just move this recording button. Okay, beautiful. So what I'm gonna say is that we broke the structure right here above. There is no question asked about that. The next point that we are looking at is 18.20. Now, if this thing really wants to continue lower and deliver to the lows that we have at approximately here, it could do that. Like I'm not gonna be basically be like trying to make myself smart. It could just be tapping into some supply areas like on the hard time frame as it did. It could definitely continue lower. But what am I looking at is for this to continue to go higher because we're in this uptrend on the hard time frame. So like if you have been following me, you understand that after we broke some structure in here, we feel these inefficiencies. I was like, okay, bearish, bam, deliver lower. We fall additional like what? It's not. It's more than yeah. It's like around 70%. Now, what I'm looking at is like something from the higher time frame, from the weekly. I'm looking at this last up movement. Okay, it hasn't been mitigated and all this shit, so we could be looking at the 50% of it because the open was unfortunately. But let me just look at the 50%. All right, why is that? Because the most of the orders that these big institutions are making when they're buying in, there's like where the most of the volume is. That said, let me just mark up the 50% as I said. It ultimately comes back down to this area right here. Let's just go to the daily finally, right? So this is what we got in here. We're approaching this area beautifully. Now, if I see a break right here, yeah, we're going to be going for that low 161, but I do like to see some confirmations right here to the upside, and we're going to be taking a look at that on the lower time frame. The market still is open, and yeah, I'm pretty excited for Monday for this thing to actually continue bullish. I would love to see a shift first of all here. Okay, we kind of have a shift, but I would love to see a shift there, maybe into some supply areas, and then if we actually shift in here, shit, man, it's going to be huge, right? So I'm very excited. Um, this is as I said, what the one number we're gonna be going like low, of course, but for right now, this is where we're gonna keep an eye on. So I absolutely love where we are and all this shit. Let me know what are your thoughts about RDBX. Comment down below if you actually are investing to RDBX, and I really want to hear your thoughts because I know that a lot of people that are watching are maybe they're in and maybe they're considering buying. For right now, everything kind of falls into place. Now I don't really um, watch the fundamentals and all this stuff, right? But I do like make videos about technical analysis all the time, and it's approximately everything kind of falls into place. So let me know what your thoughts about it. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, and like the video for this amount of free uh, value, right? And comment down below. That's about it. Have a wonderful day.